Hello, my name is Claudia Benitez. I'm going to present my Zero Waste Kitchen app project. In this presentation, I'll cover the following points. First, I will walk you through the project plan. I will define the problem, talk a little bit about my user persona, and define the project scope. Second, I will show you the sketches so you can see part of the process, including the paper prototype and low fidelity wireframes. Third, I will show you some of the results that I got from a usability test. And finally, I will walk you through the critical path of the prototype. Okay, let me talk to you about the project plan. How many times have we wanted to prepare a recipe only to realize that we are missing an ingredient? You have had to run to the store to buy an ingredient only to realize that we could have made another recipe with products that we already have at home. So what I wanted to do with this app is reduce the amount of food that is thrown away in our homes and limit the environmental and financial impact of going to a grocery store often. Some social outcomes that we can get as a result of this project are: find interesting recipes that we use ingredients that we already have at home, create a list of your favorite recipes, create shopping lists to avoid unnecessary purchases, get a list of alternative ingredients for recipe, and ultimately save money and support the environmental by reducing waste at home. The user persona that is representative of the user of the app is Christy Busy. Christy is working remotely as the HR representative at her company. She's trying to balance her busy life between work, family, and friends. She finds cooking relaxing, but every time she looks for a recipe, she feels frustrated because she's always missing an ingredient or two. She usually tries to avoid going to the supermarket for only one thing and ends up overbuying. Some of her frustrations are over purchases of some food items because she doesn't know what she has at home, and she hates throwing away food because they've expired or gone bad from non-use. And one of her goals is to cook quick, healthy meals at home. The delivery of this project will be a proof of concept in the form of a clickable prototype showcasing the UI design of the Zero Waste Kitchen app. The user of this app are people between the ages of 16 to 45 who are interested in reducing the waste of food in their homes and saving money by avoiding over-purchasing ingredients and frequently traveling to grocery stores. Okay, I will show you some of the sketches that I did throughout the design process. This is the perfect prototype when I was trying to figure out how I should organize the elements in the space. Once I got this one done, I evolved it to low fidelity wireframes. With those wireframes, I conducted an usability test. What I wanted to get from the usability test was to uncover major usability flows in the Zero Waste Kitchen prototype. The methodology was sharing a link with the prototype and asking the participants to think aloud while they were completing a task. I observed everything via Zoom, and after that, I conducted a small survey to get their impressions. Some of the comments that I got were very positive about the look and the functionality of the prototype, but I also got some very important feedback, like adding arrows to go back and forwards of some screens and moving the home button from the top of the screen to the bottom to avoid confusion. Okay, now I'm going to walk you through the final designs for the key screens of the app. I created onboarding where the user will be introduced to the app and get a brief description of its features. The skip option will be available and the user will be sent to the login page if desired. After the onboarding, you will be taken to the Get Started screen, where the user will have the option of joining the app with their email, social media, or through their Face ID. And finally, we arrive to the critical path. From the home screen, The user will be greeted with a personal message like, "Welcome, Christy, ready to cook?" From home, you will have access to most of the features of the app. The user will be able to look through the website using the search bar or the filters. The menu will display most of the options. You can activate or deactivate reminders for expiration dates on food, explore recipes, check your pantry, and add products. And finally, on the lower menu, you can have access to your to home, recipes that you have saved, your shopping list, and your pantry. If we click on Explore Recipes, we will be taken to the following screen, where you can use the search bar and the filters to see popular recipes or your list of favorites. In the case of the user test for the prototype, I made the user look for a Capri salad recipe from ingredients they already have at home. So in this case, if you wanted to search for ingredients, you can click on the search bar, type the ingredients, and then click on search. Then a list of recipes that uses the ingredients that you look will show up, and you can pick your favorite. In this case, the Capri salad. And that will be it. Thank you for your attention. I'm looking forward to your feedback and comments. Thanks again.